Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a letter. Write a letter to the health officer of your locality requesting him to take measures to stop the spread of malaria in your locality. To the health officer, Diamond Harbour, subject measures to be taken to stop malaria. Sir, I have the honor to draw your kind attention to the outbreak of malaria in our part of the district. Over 200 persons have been down with this dangerous disease. 5 persons are reported to have died of malignant malaria. To prevent the further spread of the dreadful disease, the still and stagnant water of ponds and drains, which are the breeding ground for mosquitoes, need to be cleaned. DDT and other kinds of insecticides are to be sprayed to kill mosquitoes. In addition, the people, particularly poor and ignorant ones, have to be made aware of the importance of spreading mosquito curtains at night while sleeping to protect themselves from the bites of mosquitoes. These are the some of the measures which must be taken without further delay, otherwise malaria will spread in our area in an epidemic form, claiming hundreds of precious lives. Thanking you, yours faithfully, own name, date. Thank you for watching. Please stay with me and like, share, subscribe.